स्वागत है सभी का मेरे इस नए वीडियो में। ये हमारा 17th वीडियो है जो हम लोग का वन शॉट चल रहा है प्रीलिम्स 2025 के लिए। तो इसमें हम लोग इंटरनेशनल रिलेशंस एंड इंटरनल सिक्योरिटी से रिलेटेड न्यूज़ देखेंगे या जो भी टॉपिक इंपॉर्टेंट है ना वो यहाँ पे मेंशन है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। देखिए, इंडिया म्यांमार बॉर्डर मैनेजमेंट गवर्नमेंट प्लान्स टू फेंस द इंटायर 1643 किलोमीटर बॉर्डर, जिसमें कि 31,000 करोड़ का कॉस्टिंग पड़ेगा एंड स्क्रैप द फ्री मूवमेंट रिजाइन। ठीक है, FMR जो है ना इसको रोकने के लिए इंडिया और म्यांमार का जितना भी बॉर्डर है ना वहाँ पे फेंसिंग किया जाएगा ड्यू टू सिक्योरिटी कंसर्न्स एंड इलीगल एक्टिविटीज़। देन FMR अलाउड 16 किलोमीटर वीज़ा फ्री ट्रैवल के लिए FMR अलाउड है। ठीक है, स्क्रैपिंग एम्स टू इन्हांस सिक्योरिटी। ओके, अब देखिए इंडिया मालदीव्स रिलेशन। तो मालदीवियन प्रेसिडेंट स्टेट विजिट टू इंडिया सिग्नल्स इम्प्रूव्ड टाइज आफ्टर इनिशियल टेंशंस, adopted comprehensive economic and maritime security partnership, signed currency swap. India supports infrastructure, airport, port, medical evacuation restored. India provided financial aid. RuPay card launched. Indian military personnel replaced by the technical staff. Clear? Okay. Then comes अपना India Italy migration agreement. Cabinet approved migration and mobility agreement to enhance people contact, mobility for student workers and cooperation on irregular migrations. Indian students can get temporary residence for up to 12 months post-study for training internships. India has signed similar agreement with Italy, Germany, France, the UK, Portugal, Austria, Cyprus, Denmark, Finland, Japan, Australia and Greece. Next comes अपना India Pakistan nuclear list exchange. तो annual exchange of nuclear installation list conducted Jan 1st 2024 में कंडक्ट हुआ था अंडर अ 1988 पैक्ट प्रोहिबिटिंग अटैक्स ऑन ईच अदर्स फैसिलिटीज। दिस वाज द 33rd consecutive exchange since 1992. India has 22 operating reactors, Pakistan has 6. Then comes Genocide Convention anniversary. 75th anniversary marked December 9, 2023, prompting reflections. Adopted by UN in 1948, it defines genocide and obligates state parties 153, including India, to prevent and punish it. Then comes G77 third South Summit held in Uganda, January 2024, under theme Leaving No One Behind. ठीक है, 134 member states में aimed to boost South cooperation, called for Palestine solution, multilateral reforms, poverty eradication and focus. Then comes Tehreek-e-Hurriyat declared unlawful. MHA declared Jammu and Kashmir separatist group Tehreek-e-Hurriyat an unlawful association under UAPA for 5 years due to anti-India activities and secessionist goals. UAPA allows government declarations subject to tribunal reviews. Then comes Raisina Dialogue 2024, 9th edition of India's flagship Geopolitics Geoeconomics Conference, held in New Delhi with 115 countries participating. थीम क्या रहेगा इसका? तो चतुरंगा कन्फ्लिक्ट contest cooperate create, organized by ORF and MEA. Clear? Then comes Nordic Baltic Cooperation, NB8. NB8 is a regional framework, 5 Nordic, 3 Baltic nations, established in 1992. India cooperates with NB8 on innovation, green transition, maritime, AI, etc. with growing trade ties. देन देखिए यहाँ पे क्या है, नॉर्डिक बाल्टिक 8 ये हो गया हम लोग का। देन मिशन एस्पाइट्स, क्या यूरोपियन यूनियन लॉन्च्ड नेवल मिशन इन रेड सी, गल्फ ऑफ एडन टू प्रोटेक्ट कार्गो शिप्स फ्रॉम हाउथी अटैक्स यूजिंग वॉरशिप्स एंड सर्विलियंस। ऑपरेशनल कमांड इन ग्रीस रूल्स परमिट एंगेजमेंट ओनली इफ अटैक्ड। क्लियर? Then comes अपना grey zone warfare. This involves coercive action below the threshold of open war, example cyber attacks, disinformations, economic pressure to achieve objectives with plausible deniability, avoiding direct military conflict. And then comes Energy Charter Treaty withdrawals. UK and several EU countries are leaving the ECT due to concerns it allows fossil fuels firms to sue government over climate policies. The treaty established कब हुआ था? 1991 में, aimed to promote energy cooperation and protect investments. Clear? Then comes Global Initiative on Digital Health, GIDH. WHO launched GIDH network to support implementation of the global strategy on digital health 2020 or 2025. Aims include prioritized investments, knowledge sharing and enhanced governance for digital health transformation. Then comes ECOWAS withdrawal. Military regimes in Burkina Faso, Mali and Niger announced withdrawal from ECOWAS, the West African bloc. Promoting economic integration and democracy, established हुआ था 1975 में. ECOWAS has headquarter in Abuja and a peacekeeping history, ECOMOG. नेक्स्ट है हम लोग का, देखिए, अर्मेनिया सस्पेंड्स CSTO पार्टिसिपेशन. तो अर्मेनिया सस्पेंडेड इट्स इन्वॉल्वमेंट इन द रशिया लेड कलेक्टिव सिक्योरिटी ट्रीटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन CSTO, citing the bloc's failure to address its security concerns. CSTO established 2002 में हुआ था in a military alliance headquarters in Moscow. Then comes Yaoundé Declaration on Malaria. Health minister from 11 African countries with the highest malarian burden signed declaration pledging to intensify efforts, boost domestic funding, and enhance leadership to eliminate malaria deaths. Africa accounts for 95% of global malaria death. Then comes Joint Logistic Over the Shore project. US military initiative enhances logistic capabilities in areas without fixed ports using specialized equipment like floating causeways, involves Navy Army coordination, valuable for humanitarian aid, disaster relief. India co-chairs Digital Information Board. India's Dr. Neeraj Mittal elected co-chair of ITU's Digital Innovation Board, providing strategic guidance for digital development involvement. The board is part of ITU's Innovation and Entrepreneurship Alliance. नेक्स्ट आता है हम लोग का, देखिए, अफ्रीका क्लब लॉन्च्ड. क्या लॉन्च हुआ? तो अलायंस ऑफ अफ्रीकन ओन मल्टीलैटरल फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन लॉन्च्ड एट AU summit to amplify Africa's voice in global finance, aims to support SDGs Agenda 2063, develop financial solution and address regional depth. Then comes SSN AUKUS program. ये क्या है? तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया, UK, US signed पैक्ट अंडर AUKUS सिक्योरिटी पार्टनरशिप एस्टैब्लिश हुआ था 2021 में टू शेयर न्यूक्लियर टेक फॉर ऑस्ट्रेलियाज न्यूक्लियर सबमरीन प्रोग्राम. ऑस्ट्रेलिया विल acquire US subs, then co-develop SSN AUKUS class with UK, enhancing capabilities, party to counter China. Then comes UN resolution on Islamophobia. India abstained in UN on UNGA resolution designating March 15 as International Day to combat Islamophobia, urging recognition of phobia against other faiths like Hinduism, Sikhism, Buddhism. Buddhism, ठीक है. Resolution condemns tolerance against Muslims, passed with 115 votes. Group of Friends GOF database. तो India launched a database of GOF meeting to track crimes against UN peacekeepers and accountability efforts. GOF established हुआ था 2022 में, co-chaired by India, promotes accountability for violence against peacekeepers per UNSC resolution, ठीक है. देन कम्स एडवांस्ड मीडियम कॉम्बैट एयरक्राफ्ट AMCA डेवलपमेंट हुआ इसका. इंडिया इन्वॉल्व्स प्राइवेट सेक्टर इन डेवलपिंग इट्स इंडिजिनस 5th to 6th स्टेल्थ फाइटर AMCA, aiming for prototype by 2028-29. Features stealth internal full fuel weapons CCS. Approved project to address IAF needs, ठीक है. इंडियन एयरफोर्स का नीड जो भी है ना, वो हम लोग का अब प्राइवेट ओन कंपनीज जो यहाँ पे पार्टिसिपेट करेगा. Then comes Project Seabird infrastructure inauguration. Defense Minister inaugurated new piers and housing at Naval Base Karwar under Project Seabird. The project aims to create India's largest naval base on the west coast. INS Kadamba, enhancing capabilities. Sea Defenders 2024 exercise, joint exercise between India and US Coast Guards, held off Port Blair, focused on maritime security threats, piracy, drones, SAR pollution response and law enforcement. Then comes Exercise Tiger Triumph 24. India-US bilateral tri-service exercise focused on humanitarian assistance and disaster relief (HADR), conducted on India's eastern seaboard to improve interoperability. Then comes Washington Treaty 75th anniversary. NATO Foreign Minister commemorated the 75th anniversary of the Washington Treaty, North Atlantic Treaty, NATO's founding document signed in 1949, reaffirmed collective defense Article 5 में. Then comes International Narcotics Control Board INCB election. India's Jagjit Pavadia re-elected to the INCB for 2025-2030. INCB established 1968 Vienna-based is an independent body monitoring international drug control treaty compliance. Then अपना India Mauritius Tax Treaty revision. Amended India Mauritius Double Taxation Avoidance Agreement introduced a principal purpose test to prevent treaty abuse for tax avoidance. Awaits ratification, applies to all income types. Mauritius is 4th largest FPI source for India. Then comes WHO Patient Safety Right Charter. WHO launched charter outlining 10 patient safety rights, example right to safe care, information engagement to promote patient-centered system and reduce harm aligned with Global Patient Safety Action Plan 2021 से 2030.